Hello friends, in this video we will see how to put a line over a letter in Google Docs like this. There are two methods. Let's see each method one by one. In the first method, go to the view option and click on show equation toolbar. You will see this new option. Click on the new equation and go to the math operations. Here you will see option X bar. Click on it. You will see the bar. Now you can type any letter or a number you want. In the next method, go to the insert option, click on equation, type backspace on your keyboard, which is located above the enter key, and then type overline and press spacebar on your keyboard, and now you can again enter any number or a alphabet of your choice. In this way we can put a line over a letter in Google Docs. Check out this useful video shown on screen to know more about Google Docs. If this video solved your problem, please subscribe and don't forget to comment below and let me know. See you again in the next video.